loving, caring. This is my family.
Welcome to Grandpa Kitchen.
Today we are preparing
Chicken white Karahi recipe.
I called the sand on a Friday night. Spices dancing in the pale moonlight. A mama's hands working a rhythm of tune. Pot on the stove under the silver spoon. Chopping onions, the garlic and lime. Tomatoes sizzle, oh, the smell divine. A little white chicken so tender, so true. Karahi magic, it's a pot full of you.
First we clean chicken.
White chicken, Karahi, a country dream. With every bite, I'm lost in the stream. Cuban whispers and the cardamom sigh. You're a taste of love. On your wings I fly. Cilantro sprinkles like stars on high. I squeeze a lemon, a tang to try. On a wooden table with manna in hand. Every flavor says life's so grand. The skillet sings with a fiery beat. A soulful tune where spices meet. Around the table, stories are shared. Over white chicken, Karahi, love's declared. Oh, white chicken, Karahi, a country dream. With every bite, I'm lost in the stream. Cuban whispers and the
Many young youth are losing their lives because of these betting apps. Nowadays we are hearing so many news, these kind of news every day. Many people are suffering with betting. So my advice, don't go for the betting apps. Don't attract when you see the betting apps, because in that you never win, you never gain money. And young people, they don't know, they wanted to try, they try to earn some money, but they are choosing wrong path because of few people are supporting, few people are promoting those apps. Influencers, please don't do promotions such kind of betting apps. The innocent youth are losing their lives. Every day we are getting some news about they're losing their lives, and so much painful for their parents. And the parents are struggling a lot to raise them, and they are struggling a lot to study the giving proper study to them. Yeah, influencer need to have an attention, because whatever the good content you do, definitely people gain attention on that. And once you give good content, then immediately you promote the betting apps, the people definitely attract. And you are saying that, "Oh, I got a lot of money, you can easily earn money." You cannot earn money easily. So we are started our channel 8 years ago, and we got plenty of emails from the betting promotions to do the betting promotions. We never accepted those kind of promotion, not even those kind of promotions, the different kind of promotions. We got a lot of mails. We are not accepted that, because anyway, if we get some kind of paid promotions, if that is not up to the mark, so we are the responsible to that product. So we cannot go and inspect how quality they are maintaining everything. So in that case, we do not want to promote those kind of products, as well as these kind of, especially these kind of betting apps. So guys, don't attract these kind of faulty and illegal betting apps. And government also need to take proper action on this. In Telugu states, the government are already started taking an action, but the few states all over the country need to take perfect action on this. It is not getting stopped every day. So they are choosing different kind of a paths to promote. Anyway, you don't install any promotion app, don't play. Keep your family safe, because your family depended on you, because they raised you, they invested a lot of money and time and love, everything, affection. So suddenly they are losing everything. Don't go to this kind of illegal apps, illegal betting apps. Inch bowl and the fire. Oil. Raw spices. Cashew nuts. Onions. Actually, I have chopped this onion in tiny size, but if you make onion paste at home, you will get a nice flavor than like this. Ginger garlic paste. Salt. Black pepper. White pepper. Cumin powder. Garam masala.
Mix will.
Mix well. Add some water. Cook for 5 minutes on high flame. Now it's time to add yogurt. Yogurt. Nice smell is coming out. Cook for 5 more minutes, so it will become little thick. Then we will add chicken. Chicken. Wow, nice aroma. Let's check the salt. Salt is perfect. If the salt is not enough, this is the right time to add. Fresh milk cream. Now I'm adding green chilies. Curry leaves. Lemon juice. Sliced ginger. We have added all the ingredients recipe is almost finished. We need to wait for 10 more minutes to finish the recipe. Finally, garnish with coriander leaves. Wow, looking nice. Chicken white Karahi recipe looking very nice. Let's taste. Very smooth.
Wow. అంత బాగుందరా?
Super.
తినాలా? మామూలుగా లేదా?
In the last, we added lemon juice that added extra flavor.
అదిరిపోయింది.
Chicken white Karahi recipe. Super!
మటన్